Friends, today I am present with my 16th chess video. This is very helpful and useful chess video for all my viewers, so don't miss it. So guys, let's start the game. This game starts with king pawn, opening pawn e4, e5, knight f6, knight c6, and pawn c3. This opening name is Ponziani opening. The idea for white is to grab the center after pushing d4. Black's popular moves at this time are knight to f6, pawn to d5, or bishop to c5. Fast, let's look at knight to f6. It's called the Danish counter gambit. Idea to attack for e4 center pawn. We continue with pawn to d4. This threatens black e5 center pawn, and now black has three options. He can take on e4, or he can capture this pawn, or even he can try to defense this pawn with something like d6. If he capture with the knight, then we will push this pawn. It's attacking the black knight. Knight a5 is not good because we have b4, and black knight is trapped. Going back, this time black best move is knight to e7, and white takes back with knight. Now black best move is knight g6, but he plays pawn to d6, attacking this dangerous knight. At the same time, it opens up the bishop's line. According to computer data, 80% of players will play this. Okay, good, no problem. But there is no way for black to win from here. I have shown this chapter in my video number 15. Of course, it was very important. Everyone is requested to check the video number 15. Don't worry, video number 15 will be shown at the end of this video. Watch it from there. So going back. Today I will discuss black's best move, knight g6. They are trying to exchange our knights. Okay, thanks. We have the bishop d3. If he takes our knight, we take his e4 knight with our bishop. It's a very simple idea. But black can make a strange plan from here. This is to take our f2 pawn. Oh my god, just look at the board. Our queen and rook and knight are under attack. Now if you take his knight by our king, then they will also take our e5 knight by his knight. Friends, calculate now. Black up an extra pawn, and white failed to make his castle. In fact, it is not good at all for whites. But wait a bit and go back to that position. From here, you have an important move. It's bishop takes knight. Now if black takes our queen, then you can easily win the game. Guys, pay attention to the board and see how to play from here. Yes, guys, it's a checkmate. Going back, if he tries to prevent this checkmate thread, then he will lose his queen. Guys, you can easily winning from here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. You will try the rest. Ended today's video here. See you in my next video. I will be very happy if you give me a like, and if you subscribe, then my dream will come true, because my dream is 100K subscribers in my channel. Always be good. Tada and bye-bye.